So, in the last episode, we made this smooth motion for the 3D car, and in this episode, we'll make it officially called as 3D. We'll need the pen extension for the 3D. Make a custom block with the inputs of distance from the ground and the depth of the car. The way we are making it 3D is by stamping the car from bottom to top. Let's test it. We got the 3D image stamped, but it's covered by the sprite, so put a hide block at the start. Let's make it so the car is a bit off from the ground. We'll erase all before stamping. Let's test if the distance from ground works. Why not add a shadow at the bottom so it's really above the ground? Let's connect the stamping with the smooth motion. Whoa, it's now really a 3D. It's a bit plain, so let's add some wheels. Draw some wheels. Whoa, the wheels are so tall, let's fix it. Make another costume where we only put wheels. Remove the wheels in the body costume. We'll stamp the wheels and the body separately so they can have their individual depths. Let's see what we got. The wheels are shorter, but there's another problem. The wheels are not at the back of the body. We can simply fix that by stamping the wheels before we stamp the body. Now, we got what we want. Let's clean it up by making a custom block called Draw, where we will put all the codes for the art. Put all the code related to the stamping under the Draw 3D block. Let's make a lower front part. Make the body shorter where the front part will be. Draw the front part. Copy the front part and paste it in the front part costume. Code it so it stamps the front part. We got some problems that the window got covered by the front part, but that's an easy fix. Just move the blocks to stamp the front part above the code to stamp the body. Why not add some lights? I'll make the front part lower. We can't see the lights because it's too small and the stamping mixes the colors, so it got more bluer. We can simply fix that by making the lights bigger. Now it's working properly. Next episode, we'll animate the wheels to point in direction of the physics sprite, and it will be very realistic and so cool. Can't wait for that. See you in episode 3 of this amazing 3D car series.